Alright, magandang araw sa ating lahat mga G7. So ang video na ito ay para ipaliwanag sa bawat isa muli, ma-master natin yung ating ginagawa sa G7. Muli, ipipresenta ko sa inyo itong apat na stages ng ating G7 10-10-10 House Church Movement. So una sa lahat, makita natin itong apat na circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung una is the formation stage, ang pangalawa is the growing stage, okay, at ang pangatlo is the maturity stage, at number 4, the multiplication stage. Doon sa formation stage, ito yung ating selection process. Okay, and then ang growing stage, ito yung discipleship process, at ang maturity stage, ito yung impartation process, at saka yung multiplication ay yung reproduction. So, doon sa formation stage, ano itong FATSO? Ito yung selection ng ating mga iti-train na leaders. So, hindi lang disciple ang pinag-uusapan dito, yung training of leaders. So, FATSO, faithful, available, teachable, submissive, and obedient. Ito ay makukuha natin sa mga Bible study areas natin. So, ibang Bible studies sa G7. Ang Bible studies ay mga outreaches, yan, outreach Bible studies. Pero doon tayo mag-i-spot ng mga FATSO. Alright. So, ang under ng formation stage, you group into 7 to become 14 in your life group or incorporate the others para maging 14. Pangalawa, study the principles of the doctrine of Christ. Ito yung foundations of faith according to Hebrews chapter 6 verse 1 to 3. And then pag kulang pa, right, master the fundamentals of faith. Ito yung ating Apostles' Creed. And then encourage the others, all of them, pero hindi naman lahat siguro mag-enroll, to enroll sa ating Eagles Nest Missions Academy. So, everyone is registered in the tracking list. Meron tayong tracking list, right? And then, we will do the commissioning prayer and recognition sa isang Sunday service. So, yan yung major na nangyayari or activity sa loob ng formation stage. Now, let's go to growing stage. Ito yung discipleship process natin. Ang goal nito is journey to Christ-likeness. So, ang mga steps under this stage is to start on the discipleship manual. Yung iba meron na sa inyo. And then the G7 Life Group 14 has a regular spiritual weekly interactive meeting. Swim pa rin yan, pero tinawag natin instead na squad ay spiritual weekly interactive meeting. And by this time, yung mga hindi pa nabaptisan, okay, should be baptized in water, okay, mga candidates. At kung na lang yun, wala nang teaching doon sa beach kasi nadaanan na nila sa fundamentals of faith. And then, i-check ninyo ilan ang INMA students, at yung number 5 is the cell leader or the life group leader is now qualified for Christian worker credential. Pwede na siya mag-apply kung gusto niya. Nasa kanya yon. And then next is the maturity stage. Alright? Or the impartition process. Dito sa maturity stage, ang goal natin ay yung Christ-like character, ang gifts and ministry skills ay matutunan na nila. Under this, okay, number 1 is the life group ay natututo na lang how to do ministry. Okay, mga how to do na yan, how to conduct Bible study, how to do cell group leadership, mga ganun. So, continue in discipleship manual pagdating sa teaching, at pwedeng i-alternate yung the shepherd staff. Okay, kung wala pa, meron pa tayong ibang book, okay, na pwedeng i-alternate dyan. Then, an assistant leader is actually identified and being trained, And then the C leader is now qualified for license to preach credential. Pwede na siyang mag-apply kung gusto niya. Okay, and then next is the multiplication stage or what we call the reproduction stage. Ito yung goal natin is matutunan nila ang home mission at saka international missions. Okay. At ma-perfect na nila yung G7 House Church Movement, G7 HCM. So ang steps dito ay the cell is now doing scheduled group evangelism. Sa iba, nag-a-adapt a school or adapt a barangay. The cell is almost ready to divide into 2 new mature cell of 7. So, kung na, nagpiprepare na maghati yun, dalawang mature cell. So, not less than 50% of the members are enrolled in Eagles Nest Christian, yung academy natin, okay? At actually, walang problema yan, free tuition fee tayo. Okay, yung Inca School of Theology. Okay, so number 4, schedule the multiplication and recognition. Yun yung Sunday service na magdi-divide na yung dalawa, i-recognize yung both 7 na dalawang grupo na tig 7. So ganoon lang po at wag niyong pwede natin ulit-ulitin ang video na ito. Wag niyong natin kalimutan yung mga activities every other stages. Okay, with that, God bless you. Kung may katanungan tayo, every meeting ay pwede naman natin itanong. So we'll try to build help this for this at mentoring. So God bless you and sundan lang natin ito. The Lord will bless us. Amen.